Good day. So I'll be speaking today on BimpeAI, and BimpeAI is actually a platform that can be used by developers and also can be used. It's a no-code platform actually to build chats or to build agents that can actually perform tasks, and it can build, it can deploy, and it can manage AI agents across voice and chat. So building this platform now, they have the dashboard area, and then we also have the SDK where I will be talking about building a test code or a use case with the SDK. So we can go here to actually read the doc of the SDK of how to actually implement it, but I'm going to be using Python to actually implement this. So the first test case that I'll be talking about is a pet care, which can be used for veterinary doctors that actually they can use it to secure payments and also to actually book their time. So the first thing is I'll be talking about the code. So this is the code. It takes through some steps to actually create a chat agent. So the first thing is these are my hyper functions to just create the agent. This is to create workflow, and this is to create agent. So the first step is to create a workflow. So a workflow, we have a system prompt and also have the name of the workflow. So these are the prompts I actually give the system. We also have the agent flow agent. So these are the agents, and the agents also will be assigned to the workflow. And then we have the personnel, which is a friendly personnel. Then next we have knowledge base. So these are knowledge base I want the agent to actually know prior, so that anybody that wants to book a session can actually book the right session I want. So the next thing, I did the integration and the channel using the dashboard. Then later on I printed out the channel. Then the next thing is to test it. So we'll now be going to the web page again, and then yes, so I'll be using, for this particular, I'll be using the playground to actually test this workflow. So after running this, then we can now test the workflow. So I've already run it before, so to test the workflow I can just say good day. Good day. I want to book a session with a vet doctor for my pet. So mind you, this is a playground. We can actually deploy it, I can test it on WhatsApp, test it on Instagram. I also have the integration. I've integrated calendar for it, and I also integrated PlayStack. So the idea is that you are going to pay first before actually scheduling the meeting, which I already put it in my knowledge base. So it's going to tell me which pet name and stuff. So the pet name is let's say Lucky, and the type is dog. So the breed is let's say German Shepherd, and the age is 2 years, and then the size is medium. So it's going to ask us what kind of this thing. Okay, it's giving me the price based on the knowledge base. So the next thing is, for now I'm going to use a test. I want a test session or treatment, because I already did this just to test the end to end. So the test is going to cost me 200, and yes please. So it's going to generate a link for me where I can just make payments, and then I'll make payment now and then also confirm. No. I'll make payment now and also confirm. Okay, so I've already made payment, and then it's supposed to take me back to, yes, so I'm going to tell it now that I have made payment. Please confirm. But it has confirmed. I'll manually assist you. Thank you for your patience. Date and time. So let me tell you, 4th of July 2026 3 p.m. So it has actually confirmed that I have made payment. Good. So he's going to actually set this up, okay, and confirm my business. But the thing is, the beauty about it is that you're going to confirm payment before actually going to he's going to confirm payment before actually scheduling to the particular customer that you need. So it works end to end. Thank you very much.